Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Convert Excel time to decimal minutes. Well, we're going to go off of the previous example, and we're just going to use minutes instead of hours. Well, here, 30 minutes represents 30. 1 hour represents 60. 5 hours represents 300. How are we coming up with that? Well, how many minutes in a day? Well, there are 60 minutes in an hour, and there's 24 hours in a day. 1440. If we need to know the percent of minutes, we just take 30 times 1440, and that'll give us the output. C6, we have 11, 660 will give us C9 times 1440. So we have 11 times 1440, which is 660. Convert that back over and divide this 660 by 1440, gives us 11. Here's just a reverse. We have minutes. And we want to convert those into decimal minutes. Think of 24 hours in a day. Convert decimal minutes to Excel time. What we want to find is what percentage in minutes is it as of the 24 hours. We know 1440 minutes represents what? The one here represents the entire day. 24 minutes represent what percentage of 24 hours? Well, it represents 0.01667 of the day. 36 represents what? 0.025 of a day. 500 minutes in a 1440 minute day represents 0.34722. Why is this important? Down the road, you're going to incorporate different formulas and functions, and knowing this will help make those calculations. So convert it back, we're just going to take this 34722 and multiply it by the number of minutes in a day. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.